So, we are in between the canteen and the reception now. Loitering, we are, some would say. Sarah, can you tell us about the toilets? How do we use the toilets?
Yes, of course. What we have in every single toilet is disinfectant and spray because, again, it's wiping it down all the time. So you can't guarantee the last person who used it wiped down all the surfaces, doors, absolutely everything in there. So wipe it down before and wipe it down after with the spray. There's bins in the toilets, put your paper towel in them. Unfortunately, I can't have a cleaner outside every toilet when somebody uses it, so we do all have to work together here and help ourselves out to make sure that we're cleaning every touch point.
Cool, so I guess the recurring theme there is the wipe, wipe and wipe again, and if you feel that you're touching anything, wipe it down.
Precisely, yeah.
Excellent, and whilst we're here, fire exits, how do they work, what's the rules?
Yeah, with fire exits, if a fire alarm sounds and you need to leave the building, evacuate, of course the last thing you want to do is follow a one-way system. So that's the only time that the one-way system goes out the window is when a fire alarm sounds and you need to evacuate. So you will leave the same way as you did before, through your closest fire exit. However, the assembly point's changed for the college.
Cool.
Our assembly point now is in the pedestrian area outside the box.
Oh, the fancy shiny.
Yes.
One of those boys.
Yeah.
Cool.
The other thing I need to ask is there are many areas where we are going to be wedging doors open because of ventilation.
Sure.
So in the case of a fire alarm, we need to make sure that we kick those wedges away from those doors so those doors shut.
Sure.
We've got 70-80% alcohol hand sanitizer around the building. Fire and alcohol does not mix. So we need to make sure that everybody kicks those wedges out of the way.
Chucks away and stay safe.
Yep.
Wonderful.